Since Sardar Motors Zirakpur believe in efficiency and transparency in their service and repair of all kinds of cars, SUVs and other four-wheeler vehicles, they have constructed a waiting room on the raised platform so that all their esteemed and permanent car repair customers can wait here. Some people have to visit their places of work very urgently, and some people have to take flights from nearby Chandigarh airport, so they can't bear the hassles and trouble to visit nearby restaurants or other places to spend time. In the meantime, they can go there and get refreshments, RO water, and get their job completed in front of their eyes so that they can know each and every problem and spare parts required for their vehicle and get updated with the latest technology and know their vehicles more clearly. You can see they have installed RO water plant also. There are CCTVs installed everywhere in the workshop, even in the basement. You can watch your car's service or repair. And get troubleless completion of your car's job completed.